all, in this video we will see what is a class in Python and how to create a class in Python. So basically, class helps us to represent real world objects in our programs. Like example, we have a student database where we have students name and roll number. So we can represent this in Python using the classes. Let us see how to do that. So the first thing that we have to do is declare a class. So class, let us assume we are declaring something called student. So and then in the class we will have methods and a constructor function which includes all the attributes, or we can say the variables that are associated. So for declaring a constructor, so a standard constructor name is present in Python. You can see when you have a double underscore, we can see here double underscore, and it is suggesting to have init. Init is a constructor in Python, and this is what default will be present in the class. And then you can see when we have brackets, automatically the self comes up. Self is something which basically is another attribute in this init method, which basically is a default one in Python. So when we are creating a class and a definition inside a class, self is the first thing that should be present. And then let us assume we have a name of the student and or role of the student. Okay, now inside the definition we can assign self.name is equal to name. So whatever we pass name to this particular function inside this class, that will be coming that will be assigned to this attribute. And then self.role is equal to role. Now a class is created. Okay, so now in the program, right, we have to use that class and do our operations. So we have to create an object so that we can use this class and assign the values whatever are there. Let us assume wiki is what we wanted to have, and then student is the class name. Okay, that's what the class is created, right? And inside this, okay, the first attribute need not be self here, it's only inside the class. You can have Vikas, okay, comma, let the role be 7. So this is how you create an instance of a class, and then we can have wiki dot name. Okay, or if you want to print directly, because already it is assigned, you need not again assign something. Wiki dot name. So we are accessing the parameter that is passed to this class, and we are trying to print it. So wiki dot name. So this is the name, and then again print of wiki.role. So you can see here there are no errors. So initially we created a class, inside that a method, and then we have created an instance of a class, and we are trying to display the values that are assigned to the parameters inside the class. Let us try to run this. Okay, when we run here, we can see Vikas got printed and 7 got printed. So that means what we are basically doing, as we explained, we are creating a class and then we are using that class to create an instance of a class and work on our requirement to have multiple student data. Now this class can be in another file, this class can be and then we can import that particular .py into our program and use it. So this is what we generally do with all the libraries that are present inside the Python. Okay, so we will talk about those in the next videos. Thank you.